Hey, it's Mark Weiss. A few weeks ago, I took this car, the Rolling Studio, into the dealer for service. Unfortunately, it's about the only place that can work on my car. But I noticed that the guy I spoke with, the service manager, was probably the fourth or fifth service manager with whom I spoke at that same dealer over the past, 2 to 3 years. It's like a game of musical chairs, which made me think about the fact that it's really the same in terms of hospital administrators. The hospital administrator that I cut a deal with at Hospital A back in 2006 is certainly not at the same hospital unless it's one of the very, very few outliers, and there have been a few of those outliers. For the most part, hospitals rotate through hospital administrators, CEOs even. Like, well, car dealers change service managers. Which takes us to the point here, which is the side deal. Often, hospital administrators will say to a group that's negotiating with it that, look, I can't put X in the contract, but trust me, I'll honor X, or I'll do X for you. Let's assume that you could trust this person. Big assumption, but let's just assume that you could. What's going to happen when the replacement comes in who knows nothing about the side deal and who wouldn't honor it anyway? If there's something important to you in an agreement, you've got to negotiate it into the agreement. And if you don't, if you're willing to trust the service manager, the administrator, it better be something that you don't really care if you get or not, because your chances of actually getting it when the service manager / administrator changes is, well, close to zero. At least know the score before you start playing the game.